Hi guys, what's up? This is Ash tuning in from Viral Evolution, and in this video we will be unboxing Space Jam headphones. But first of all, go down below and smash that thumbs up button. And if you are new, subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video. With that said, let's get started. So these headphones come with 6 months warranty. As you guys can see here, it has 6 months warranty, and you can check out the headphones in the links below. So these headphones come with various functions. The first is wireless connectivity because it has Bluetooth built in. It has inbuilt microphone, SD card playback, and also onboard functions and FM radio, as you guys can check it here. So as you guys can see here, it has these functions available. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So as you guys can see, right off the box we get these headphones. So it has this metallic finish which feels pretty premium and luxury. We get a very long USB cable that is for charging. We get an aux cable and a manual. So this feels very metallic and it has these foams, so it doesn't hurt your ears. So let's go ahead and connect this with your mobile through Bluetooth. And you will listen how this sounds.
Hi guys, what's up? This is Ash tuning.
So as you guys get the perspective how it will sound on your ear. So it's pretty loud and very beautiful. Its price is around $20, and hope you enjoyed this video. Do check the links below. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching.